The latest military weaponry is the engine of progress, and there's no arguing with that, as military orders and developments often require the creation of advanced technologies, materials, communication systems, and other projects that are later used in everyday life, industry, and other areas. This video showcases the most modern weapons. Enjoy watching. Lança 2.0 is a completely new countermeasure system for UAVs. It is designed to neutralize flying objects at a maximum range of 1,000 meters. Lança 2.0 has a wide range of operating frequencies that capture the enemy drone and safely bring it down. Such a system is in high demand for the protection of convoys, forward bases, and military facilities. Various assault weapons, sniper rifles, and 40mm grenade launchers can be mounted on the Smash Dragon unmanned system. The system is remotely operated using proprietary target detection and tracking algorithms. Then, the control system takes over and fires when the target is identified, ensuring precise hits even in complex situations or adverse weather conditions. American developers recently created the 6th-generation stealth aircraft B-21 Raider. The engine placed inside the aircraft and the nozzles on the upper part of the body significantly reduce thermal emissions and thus lower the aircraft's visibility in the infrared spectrum. The aerodynamic wing shape greatly reduces radar signature compared to other aircraft. The B-21 Raider is capable of carrying both conventional and nuclear munitions. The Turkish company Repkon has released a new 40mm automatic grenade launcher, the RDS-40. The maximum firing range is 2,000 meters. The weapon weighs 35 kilograms, the magazine holds 48 grenades, and the rate of fire is quite high, 300 to 375 rounds per minute. The grenade launcher can be mounted on a vehicle or used as an infantry weapon. The Sarsismal robot dog, equipped with an automatic weapon, can participate in urban combat, detect enemies, and shoot accurately. This robot is remotely controlled. It can move quickly, jump, lie down, plan routes, approach targets, and avoid obstacles. Sarsismal can operate for up to 8 hours without recharging. Its movement speed is 4 meters per second, and it weighs 17 kilograms. The main striking power of the Dragonfire weapon is a laser beam capable of hitting not only drones but also missiles and other airborne targets. The cost of disabling, for example, a drone is only $10, which is very cheap. To ensure a 100% hit, the laser and its associated guidance systems are mounted on the turret itself. According to the developers, the laser belongs to the 50 kilowatt class. Rogue One has a vertical takeoff and landing system and is designed to strike both stationary and mobile armored targets, lightly armored vehicles, and small ground objects. A feature of the UAV is its innovative fuse, which allows it to be recovered if the drone is disabled or the mission is interrupted. Its maximum flight speed is 113 kilometers per hour, and its communication range is 10 kilometers. Another advantage of this bird is its ability to operate without GPS. The Mobile Contech Gunport's embrasure allows soldiers to fire weapons safely while remaining protected. It is made from high-strength ballistic protected materials. This protection can be integrated into armored vehicles, barricades, bulletproof walls, doors, and windows. Contech Gunports protects even against .50 AE caliber armor-piercing bullets. The Bell V-280 Valor tiltrotor combines the distinct advantages of an airplane and a helicopter, thanks to two engines located in nacelles at the ends of the wings, which can rotate at a 90-degree angle. The Bell V-280 Valor takes off vertically and can fly at a speed of 520 kilometers per hour, which is unusual for a helicopter. The ferry range of this vehicle is 3,900 kilometers. DroneGun Mk4 quickly and effectively intercepts enemy drones, disrupting their navigation and video recording. The main advantages of this system are reliable operation in various weather conditions and temperatures, compact design and lightweight, user-friendly interface and quick-release battery, very simple maintenance, and inexpensive components that can literally be replaced in the field. DroneGun Mk4 detects and suppresses UAVs at a range of up to 3 kilometers. The six-legged robot Orwell appeared in the feature film Juliet's Eye, but it can be used not only as a movie prop, but also in military applications. It is ideal for rough and rocky terrain thanks to its excellent stability. Mounted on the robot's rotating turret are a day and night vision camera and a laser rangefinder. This is a kind of perfect scout, as the robot's operator can be located on the other side of the planet, connecting to it via satellite. After a recent successful demonstration of the Lid-Eye shield system for countering small, unmanned aerial vehicles, many military personnel became interested in this development. This system completely and instantly neutralizes enemy birds. Lid-Eye shield includes radar, optics, and devices for detecting, capturing, and suppressing radio frequency signals. The system itself can operate autonomously, be remotely controlled, or be integrated into higher-level control and monitoring systems. The autonomous drone, XQ-58A Valkyrie, is controlled in flight by artificial intelligence, which helps increase the speed and accuracy of decision-making. One of the drone's tasks can be escorting F-22 or F-35 fighters during combat missions, while the UAV may carry both surveillance systems and weapons. The practical flight ceiling is 13,715 meters. The high-speed reconnaissance and attack helicopter Sikorsky S-97 Raider has a cruising speed of 420 kilometers per hour. It can carry up to 6 troops plus 2 crew members. The main weapon is a .50 caliber machine gun with 500 rounds and 7-round rocket pods. The most distinctive feature of the design is the rear pusher propeller, as this rotor placement is unusual for conventional helicopters. The M3 pontoon bridge can be used and assembled both as stationary bridges and as ferries. They are primarily used to transport tanks and other heavy equipment across rivers. The M3 crew consists of 3 people. Ground clearance is 0.7 meters, which is sufficient for off-road conditions, and the weight of such engineering equipment is 26 tons. The Rheinmetall Natter 7.62 combat module was developed mainly for military trucks, taking into account the maximum roof load, which should not exceed 105 kilograms. This system significantly increases the combat capability of vehicles. It can accommodate machine guns from 5.56 by 45 millimeters to 7.62 by 51 millimeters calibers. Rheinmetall Natter 7.62 features both manual and automatic target tracking. The main weapon of the self-propelled artillery unit Nora B-52 is a 155mm gun howitzer with a maximum firing range of 41 kilometers. The automatic loading system increases the rate of fire and reduces the physical strain on the crew. Rate of fire is 6 to 12 rounds per minute. Road speed is up to 100 kilometers per hour, and cross-country speed up to 25 kilometers per hour. Rheinmetall has introduced the new KF-51 tank. It has approximately the same armor, power unit, V12 diesel, transmission, and running gear as the Leopard 2A7. However, the KF-51 is 3 tons lighter than its predecessor. The tank's standout feature is its 130mm gun. While the Leopard's gun can penetrate 660mm of homogeneous armor, the KF-51 penetrates 1050mm of the same armor. The Polish Baobab K system is designed to deploy anti-tank minefields and is capable of laying 600 mines in just 22 minutes. The control system allows for automated mining, with the onboard computer calculating parameters such as vehicle speed and launcher settings. The truck's range is 580 kilometers off-road and 1,650 kilometers on asphalt. The Leonidas system can quickly fire at drones with near-instant effect without overheating, and the installation mechanism eliminates the need for reloading. Operators can precisely and safely control the pulse to suppress drones. It operates using high-powered microwave electromagnetic radiation in the 0.3 to 300 GHz range, fully burning out the drone's electronics. The American 5.22 Osprey tiltrotor performs the same traditional functions as conventional helicopters, but offers greater range and flight speed, typical of turboprop aircraft. To reduce the tiltrotor's weight, about 5.7 tons, composite materials based on carbon and fiberglass were used in production, which are a quarter lighter than metal. Passenger capacity is 26 paratroopers, and maximum speed in airplane mode is 565 kilometers per hour. The American Tactical Loitering Munitions Switchblade 600 is designed to attack personnel and armored vehicles. The drone can be launched from ground, sea, and air platforms. It weighs 23 kilograms and can be prepared for use in 10 minutes. Flight range is 80 kilometers, and it can strike at a maximum speed of 185 kilometers per hour. It carries a Javelin-type anti-tank warhead. The MQ-28A Ghostbat unmanned combat aerial vehicle features artificial intelligence and various modular packages in the aircraft's nose. The entire nose section can be removed and quickly replaced with another payload for combat, troop reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. It can also support and protect manned fighters, such as the F-35A or KC-30A during military missions. Like the hinged stinger of a Scorpion, the Scorpion mortar system deploys from the rear of a truck until it reaches a ground-mounted base plate. This deployment takes about 30 seconds. Within the next 15 seconds, Scorpion can fire 12 120mm rounds in 1 minute. Firing range is 8 kilometers, and the system can carry 72 shells at once. Despite its small size, the short-range Skyranger turret air defense system can engage rotorcraft, UAVs, loitering munitions, and even cruise missiles. The system's main weapon is a 30mm cannon with a very high rate of fire, 1,200 rounds per minute. However, the firing range is relatively short, up to 3 kilometers. The modern barrier structure, or Gabion-Hesco Mill, can be used as a military fortification against various explosions or small arms fire. Building a 10-meter-long wall requires only 20 minutes for 2 people and 1 front loader. The Hesco Mill modules themselves can be deployed in just a few minutes using machinery. The Finnish anti-tank rifle Lahti L39 fires 20mm caliber rounds. Despite the relatively low initial armor-piercing bullet speed of 800 meters per second, it can penetrate 3 centimeters of armor at a distance of 100 meters. In addition to destroying armored vehicles, the Lahti L39 can be used as an anti-sniper weapon. But for this, the enemy sniper must expose their position. The Racer Heavy Platform vehicle is equipped with strong armor and tracked propulsion systems. This robot was developed under the U.S. program Robotic Autonomy with enhanced stability in complex environments. Racer Heavy Platform moves autonomously across various terrains such as bushes, vegetation, rocks, slopes, trees, and other obstacles. Its speed during successful trials reached 48 kilometers per hour. Bozena 5 is an unmanned ground vehicle designed for clearing all conventional anti-personnel and anti-tank mines, as well as for neutralizing improvised explosive devices. It is remotely operated by an operator at a distance of up to 5 kilometers, and its blast resistance is noteworthy, equivalent to 9 kilograms of TNT. The vehicle is protected by a metal casing, and a front-mounted armored shield protects it from detonation. The Japanese company DevTac has released a ballistic helmet that is fully bulletproof, as it is almost entirely covered with Kevlar, which has high strength. Inside, there is a ventilation cooling system to prevent lens fogging. Optionally, the helmet can be equipped with a projection display showing terrain maps and soldier location. The helmet can be removed in just 1 second if necessary. The Israeli 12-gauge shotgun Taver TS-12 is built using the bullpup layout, where the magazine and trigger mechanism are located behind the trigger, i.e., in the stock. At close range, the weapon is very effective and can even eliminate 2 enemies with a single shot. Magazine capacity is 15 rounds, and the Taver TS-12 weighs 3.7 kilograms. It features high range and rate of fire. The low-visibility unmanned vehicle Mission Master was developed for frontline resupply, silent patrol, military cargo transport, and fire support with machine guns of various calibers. Thanks to a low-noise electric motor, the unmanned machine handles any task requiring stealth and mobility. Mission Master has a payload capacity of 600 kilograms, a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour, and autonomy of up to 8 hours without recharging. The Mobile Counter-Battery Radar, TPQ-53 Raider, is designed to detect and determine the coordinates of mortar, artillery, and MLRS positions for counter-battery fire, and it can also detect unmanned aerial vehicles. The detection range is from 1.5 to 60 kilometers. A crew of 5 people can deploy the system in just 5 minutes and pack it up in 2 minutes. One of the key features and advantages of the 7.62mm M134 machine gun is its high rate of fire, 4,000 rounds per minute. This rate allows effective engagement of fast-moving or group targets. To achieve this, weapon designers implemented a rotating barrel assembly with electric drive. The weight of the M134, excluding the electric drive and ammunition, is 16.3 kilograms. The railgun is a long-range weapon whose projectile contains no explosives. It consists of two parallel rails electrically connected via an armature containing the projectile. Current flows from the power source through one rail, then through the armature, and back along the second rail to the power source. This generates a strong magnetic field around the armature, creating propulsion. The projectile speed of the railgun is 2,505 meters per second. The MQ-1 Gray Eagle has extended flight range and was specially developed by order of the U.S. Army. The 205 horsepower UAV with enlarged fuel tanks can stay airborne for up to 45 hours. Reconnaissance capabilities are provided by a powerful optical targeting system, which can detect ground targets even through clouds. In addition, it can carry Hellfire anti-tank missiles or Viper Strike glide bombs. The new all-wheel drive amphibious combat vehicle Patria 6x6 is equipped with the turret-mounted mortar system Patria Nemo, a strong and independent suspension system with a 6x6 wheel configuration provides unmatched mobility. The vehicle can carry up to 10 soldiers in the rear compartment. Water speed is 8 kilometers per hour and driving range is 700 kilometers. The corner shot weapon was created by an Israeli Army lieutenant colonel for use by special forces and tactical units in hostage rescue situations where it is necessary to shoot from behind cover. Thanks to a hinge built into the design, the operator can remain shielded from counterattack. Serant. The steel armor of the German Kf-41 combat vehicle withstands hits from anti-tank weapons, medium-caliber munitions, artillery shrapnel, and bombs. Its main weapon is a 35mm automatic cannon with automatic ammunition feed. This allows the vehicle to engage targets at distances up to 3 kilometers, both stationary and in motion. The diesel engine from Liebherr operates in combination with an automatic transmission. Gurza 02 is powered by a 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine with 385 horsepower. It can be fitted with any machine gun up to 14mm in caliber. The vehicle's armor withstands 7.62mm rounds and is resistant to anti-tank mine blasts under the wheels or underbody with explosive charges up to 8 kilograms. Its primary purpose is to deliver infantry to the battlefield. The Capstone UAV helicopter-type drone uses a coaxial rotor layout with 5-meter blades and no tail rotor. This design increases energy efficiency as the tail rotor typically consumes up to 20% of a drone's energy. Capstone UAV has a flight range of 483 kilometers and endurance of up to 8 hours. It can carry up to 300 kilograms of weapons or military cargo. The 30mm 7-barrel aircraft cannon GAU-8 has a rate of fire of 4,200 rounds per minute. The total weight of the GAU-8, with the ammunition feed system and a fully loaded drum of 1,350 rounds, is 1,830 kilograms. Muzzle velocity is 990 meters per second. During the Gulf War, the GAU-8 was used to destroy Iraqi T-72M tanks. The unique firefighting machine Big Wing is based on the T-64 tank and uses 2 MiG-31 jet engines to spray water at a rate of 820 liters per second. This tank is operated by a crew of 3. 2 control the tank from inside, while 1 gives commands from a safe distance outside. The standard equipment of the MQ-8 Fire Scout unmanned helicopter includes electro-optical and infrared thermal scanners and a laser rangefinder, allowing it to detect and identify designated targets. Additionally, the UAV can be equipped with high-precision Hellfire missiles. Flight autonomy is 8 hours, maximum speed is 244 kilometers per hour, and payload capacity is 272 kilograms. The MDP-9 pistol caliber carbine combines compact size with exceptional performance. Thanks to its design, this carbine has significantly reduced recoil and allows the barrel to return to its original position faster after firing. The submachine gun weighs 2.3 kilograms, fires 9 by 19 millimeter rounds, and has a magazine capacity of 33 rounds. A unique feature of the offensive grenade Nammo-Sog is its threaded modules, allowing multiple grenades to be screwed together. It works like a Lego-style assembly, producing a triple explosive effect. A single Nammo-Sog contains 130 grams of explosive material. This self-propelled bomb is several times larger than the Tsar Bomba, whose explosion shockwave created a seismic wave in the Earth's crust that circled the globe 3 times, and the flash from the detonation was visible from over 1,000 kilometers away. The light all-wheel drive truck Renault Sherpa 2 is designed for transporting military personnel. The vehicle has excellent off-road capability thanks to a ground clearance of 600 millimeters and a 60-degree approach angle. The armored vehicle can climb slopes up to 45 degrees and ford water up to 750 millimeters deep. It also boasts impressive endurance with a payload capacity of up to 4 tons. The main cause of Canadian soldier casualties in Afghanistan was landmine explosions. As a response, the armored Textron TAPV was developed with enhanced protection against mines and ambushes. The vehicle received a V-shaped hull designed to withstand and deflect blasts from up to 10 kilograms of explosives. The armor can withstand hits from 12.7mm armor-piercing rounds. Additional protection was added to the crew and infantry seating. Armament options include a grenade launcher, machine gun, or cannon. The Polish self-propelled artillery system Krab has excellent tactical and technical specifications, a range of 400 kilometers, a firing rate of 6 rounds per minute at a distance of up to 40 kilometers, system deployment in 30 seconds, and an ammunition load of 40 shells. In addition, fire control and navigation are managed through modern electronic systems. Road speed is 60 kilometers per hour, and off-road speed is 15 kilometers per hour.